Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw different kinds of trees by using different shapes like circle, triangle, sloping lines, slanting lines, etc. These drawings are very easy to learn by the small kids. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I am drawing a tree by using a shape of circle. First of all, we will draw a circle like this. Now I am drawing a stem. Look, this tree is so simple and it's looking very pretty. Now I am using the shape of triangle. First of all, draw a triangle like this and then draw the stem. Nice. Now make a shape of C, another shape of C. Join the both of the shapes. Now make a V and join these two and make the stem. Okay, next we will draw the stem first. This tree I will draw by using the lines, strokes of lines like this. It's so easy. You can teach your kids how to draw the trees by using these strokes. Look, and your tree is ready. Now we'll use letter 3 to draw the tree. This, this. Again use the shape of V. Make the stem. And it's done. Okay, now I will draw a coconut tree. Make a straight stem, then make a cross, and make the coconuts, and your coconut tree is ready. Give line strokes like this to make the leaves. Now I will use a black sketch pen to make the outline and do the outline. We'll do the outline of all the trees like this. Look how attractive and beautiful these trees are looking. By using these shapes of trees, we can make easy landscape drawings like beaches, forests. We can use these trees in this type of pictures. In my or another videos, I will show you how to make a beach drawing by using these trees. It's done. Now I'll use the crayons to color these trees. Okay, I'm using the dark green color crayon to color these trees. We'll make small strokes like this. Okay, we will not do the coloring like this. We will use these small strokes to give a effect of shading. Okay, look how easy these are. Any kid can learn very easily. Now I am going to color the stem by using this brown color. Again I am using the strokes. Okay. Now I will use this parrot green color to give some shading effect. Again I am using small strokes like this. Look, its effect is so nice. Okay, now I'm using the yellow color again to give some shading effect. You can fill the blank spaces with this yellow color. By using these strokes and shading, trees look more natural. And this yellow color will highlight your drawing. Okay, now I'm using a dark green color to color the coconuts. Now I am using a black crayon to give some shading effect in the stems. Okay, so these are the basic tree drawings. You can make different kind of trees of different fruits, like you can make apples and show it as an apple tree, and you can draw an orange in this, and in this way you can create different fruit trees. Okay, so friends, if you like my video, do subscribe my channel, like and follow, and don't forget to watch my videos and stay tuned to my channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.